Welcome to UNIC EDU. In 3 minutes, you will master inflation for A-level and IB economics, using real data from around the world. Inflation is a sustained rise in the general price level. That means each unit of money buys fewer goods and services over time. It is not one product getting expensive. A single petrol spike is a relative price change. Inflation is when the average keeps rising. We measure it with the Consumer Price Index. We track a weighted basket and compare its cost today to a base year. Real example. In 2022, inflation hit multi-decade highs worldwide. The UK reached a 40-year high. Turkey neared 85, hit 88%. For exams, split headline from CORE. CORE removes volatile food and energy, giving policymakers a clearer underlying trend. International syllabuses test 3 causes: demand pull, cost push, and monetary or expectations-driven. Demand pull means aggregate demand shifts right. In the US, demand factors accounted for 1.4 of the 5.61 to September 2022. Cost push classic, supply shifts left. In 1973, the OPEC embargo quadrupled oil prices almost overnight, triggering a global inflation shock. In 2022, the same energy shock from the Ukraine war fed into those food and energy spikes across advanced and emerging economies. Monetary view, MV equals PY. If money supply grows faster than real output for years, prices must rise, and expectations lock it in. Zimbabwe 2008 is the textbook case. Inflation peaked at 79.6% per month, with prices doubling every 24.7 hours. Turkey 2022 shows a policy mistake. Inflation soared to 85% per annum in September, hitting a 24-year high of 83.45%. Argentina followed close behind, with annual inflation surging to 88% in October 2022, the highest in the G20 at the time. When interest rates rise, the economic balance shifts. Borrowers face higher costs, while savers are rewarded. Second, uncertainty. Firms pay menu costs to reprice, households waste time managing cash. In the 1970s, this combined with falling output, called stagflation. Policies must match the cause. Raise rates to cool demand pull. Use supply reforms for cost push. Anchor expectations with a credible central bank. Turkey later raised rates to 42.5% to re-anchor expectations after the 85% peak. Learn the framework, ace the exam. This is UNIC EDU.